Here we have Axie Infinity, symbol AXS versus the dollar. I believe yesterday we were looking for new all-time highs, and we got new all-time highs. So let's see where we're at within the grand scheme of things yet again. Let's see what extension that we're at right now. We actually did, it looks like top out right at the 3-spot extension right here at about 144.5 on a closing basis. That's not a big one for me, actually. Typically speaking, if you're going to get there, you know, it might produce a bit of a short-term and medium-term sideways consolidation, which in this case, you know, could come back down, so, you know, maybe back down to about $100 or so. Long-term, though, I do suspect that this one does gun for about $200. Maybe even a little bit more before this is all said and done. Big areas of interest in the low 200s, actually. Short-term time frames, like a 4-hour right here, what are we looking at? It's just a continuation of uptrend, really fucking good, actually. If it does want to correct to the downside, I'd be looking first at around $1.20 to $1.25 or so, and then below there, $100 is kind of where I'd be looking towards. But overall, you know, this thing is powerful as all fuck. We do see on the 4-hour right here. Hey, get out of my face, sir. There we go. Here we go. We do see on the 4-hour right here that if we do put in a local low, this will actually point towards another drive of hidden bullish divergence. So how would we confirm another drive, or sorry, how would we confirm a local low right here? Popping back up above and closing this next 4-hour dildo back above about 144 or 141.5. And then yes, I'd be looking at another run towards 150, and probably does just continue onwards and forwards from there. Again, this chart on a monthly is just melt it up, baby. Weekly, melt it fucking up. Looking good, man. Looking really, really good. Nothing bearish at all about this thing as long as you're above $60. So this one could survive a more than 50% drop, I suppose, within the grand scheme of things. Anyways, BBWP over here starting to get high, although I don't really look for like major tops until we get into, you know, 95% top plus. So it's getting close. It's getting very, very close there. But I suspect that it's got one more or two more drives here, and then we probably play out like the big correction on this one. Until then, you know, up and away on this thing. 5-day coming. It's actually not too soon. Let's go over here and see what the other lower term time frame momentum also to say. Just out of curiosity, if this one is a lot more likely to continue onwards and forwards from here or not. 151.80 is the magical number on 4-hour Stokes. Not a big deal on that one. 2-hour is going to show 145.85, and hourly is going to show 133.70 or so. So a little bit of short-term ebb and flow here. Very likely goes sideways in a range between about 132.5 and 145, back above about 145, and especially 150 is where I start to look for the next just general melt up phase again. So pretty damn good chart again, among, or probably even the best one, you know, in cryptocurrency land right now. Respect it, but be aware of where the corrective levels do come in, and hopefully that was helpful, sir.